Dirt biking is an exhilarating adventure that combines skill, balance, and a love for the outdoors. As a beginner, the first thing to focus on is your gear. A good helmet, gloves, and protective clothing are essential to keep you safe. Next, familiarize yourself with your bike. Understand the controls, throttle, brakes, and clutch before hitting the trails. Start on flat, open terrain to build your confidence. Remember, body positioning is key. Lean forward when accelerating and shift your weight back when descending. Practice makes perfect, so don't rush it. And always respect the trails and other riders. Enjoy the ride and embrace the thrill of dirt biking.